So yes, this is our April 1st blizzard. About 6 hours ago, my neighbor's yard, which gets sunlight, was almost entirely bare. Sidewalk was clear, street was clear, and yeah, it's very, very pretty right now. But I am, very glad I'm not having to go anywhere in this. Like this poor sap. Don't know if you can hear it, but I can actually hear two separate sirens of, people probably going to wrecks and or other problems. Had the electricity flicker a while earlier, which is kind of rare for the city. But yeah, enjoying one last blast of winter. And yes, I say enjoying seriously. That is the thing about living in Minnesota, is you wind up loving the snow. That's my sidewalk down there, underneath all of that. It's supposed to get 8 to 12 inches by morning.